Coming to you live from his parents' dining room. It's Bricking It with Noah. First, every master builder needs to have the right pieces. So, I'm going to show you the pieces you need. You can pause the video and get them, and we'll come back and meet up and build together. And we're back. Time to build. Step one, take your flat piece and lay it on the table like so. Step two, we're going to build a little tower. We're going to start with our white brick, then our colored brick, and finally our white brick. And so you have something that looks a little bit like a shoe and a sock. Now, flip it over. We're going to make the same pattern on the other side. White, colorful brick, and that classic 2x2 white brick. We're going to link them together, press, and now you might be wondering, Noah, this doesn't look like a friend. This looks like a tower with a little diving board sticking off. This looks like a duck with no tail.
What happened to my tail?
Well, let me show you. You're going to take your free hand, going to shake it out, spread out your fingers, wiggle them, and with your fingers spread out, you're going to take your creation and put the sticky outy bit, that's a very official technical term, in between your fingers. Close your hand.
And now you've got a friend. Hello, I am a hand puppet. I have yellow eyes. Aren't they mesmerizing and beautiful?
Ooh. And if you like, you can make a friend for your friend. And now you could do puppet shows. Mana. Do 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 do. Mana. Do 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 do. Now these are some basic Lego hand puppets. And I've made them with pieces that you might have, whether you have a ton of Lego or just a few sets. And I challenge the more experienced builders out there to create their own designs. For example, here. Hello there, I am a fancy Lego hand puppet. Yeah, you kids, what are you doing? Get off my lawn, pick up your Legos off the floor. He looks a little bit grumpy with his eyebrows slanting up like that. And I'll show you to stick on the plates so they're facing front. I used these snot, that studs not on top bricks. See, the studs are sticking out like so. And to give him his top hat, I used one of the minifig display tiles with the line of studs in the middle, a 1x2 jumper, some cylinders, stack them like so, and you have a very fancy top hat. And if we want to make his eyebrows look a little bit less grumpy, maybe he needs a nap, maybe he needs a snack, so we're going to give him a nap. And now if we take off his hat, take off his grumpy eyebrows, and we find some other slanted pieces and stick them on like so with the slope facing out. He looks a little bit, shy. Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Terribly sorry to have bumped into you, good sir. Well, thank you for watching my video. That's how to make Lego friends, Lego hand puppets, in case you want to create shows and stories for yourself, or for your family, or with your family. So, until next we meet, stay safe, have fun, do not forget to pick up your Lego bricks off the floor, and I'll give you a big Lego high five on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Lego high five, dinosaur high five, and unicorn high five. and I hope to build with you soon.